USS Carl Vinson CVN 70 is the third Nimitz-class nuclear-powered aircraft carrier in the United States Navy. It is named in honor of Congressman Carl Vinson of Georgia for his contributions to the Navy. The ship is based in San Diego, California, and is part of the U.S. Pacific Fleet. Carrier Air Wing 2 is attached to Carl Vinson, which is equipped with a variety of fighter aircraft, including the F-35C Lightning II, F/A-18 Super Hornet. In 2011, Osama bin Laden was buried at sea off the deck of Carl Vinson, and that same year, the ship hosted the first NCAA basketball game ever held on an aircraft carrier.